here's how we make use of every last drop of rainwater on our property. So we have two downspouts. One is here at the back of our house. This water is all sent to a rain barrel. Now you would be shocked at how quickly this rain barrel fills up after any significant amount of rainfall. We have so much water that lands on our roofs, and so this fills up very quickly. We get to use this water to water our plants. After it fills up, the water is diverted into this downspout, which runs all alongside the side of our house, where we also happen to have raised veggie beds. The water is sent to this connector. This connector is also connected to our rainwater collecting system at the bottom of our raised beds. Now, this doesn't collect very much water because most of the water is soaked up by the healthy soil in the raised beds to nourish our plants. But we like to know that water isn't sitting at the bottom of our raised beds, eroding the wood. And so we collect all that as well. It all gets sent into this downspout, which ends up in our rain garden. We have a rain garden filled with almost exclusively perennial native pollinators that love water. And so the downspout from the back of the house ends up here. We have contoured the soil of this rain garden to create a swale in the middle of it. And so the water flows through the swale, nourishing the plants. The plants soak up almost all of the water, but any remainder ends up through this pebble rock into the road. We have our second downspout here at the other side of our house. It collects rainwater, which ends up in this rain barrel. The rain barrel fills up and the downspout sends water into our second rain garden. We have lots of other healthy native plants that soak up most of the water. We have also contoured this to have a basin in the middle of it. So it's contoured kind of down, and there's lots of plants in the basin that love living in super moist soil. So almost all the water gets soaked up by the basin, but any remainder goes through this river rock and out onto the street. Usually almost nothing ends up on the street, and all of it ends up being used in our gardens as a resource.